Nampa homeowners know that the local climate can vary dramatically throughout the year. With hot summers, cold winters, and occasional storms, choosing the right windows and doors is essential for maintaining comfort, energy efficiency, and durability. The materials, insulation, and design of your windows and doors play a significant role in how well your home can handle Nampa's climate. Here's a guide to understanding how the weather affects your home and what to look for when upgrading your windows and doors. Energy efficiency for hot summers and cold winters. Nampa experiences significant temperature swings, from scorching summer days to cold winter nights. Without proper windows and doors, your home can become difficult to keep comfortable, and energy costs can skyrocket. What to look for. Energy-efficient windows. Look for double or triple pane windows with low E, low emissivity, coatings. These coatings reflect heat in the summer while allowing sunlight in during the winter, keeping your home cool and warm as needed. Insulated doors. Doors with foam cores or weather-resistant materials like fiberglass or steel provide excellent insulation. They help prevent heat transfer, keeping your HVAC system from working overtime. By upgrading to energy-efficient windows and doors, you'll enjoy consistent indoor temperatures and lower energy bills year-round. Protection from harsh weather conditions. Nampa's occasional storms and wind gusts can put a strain on your windows and doors. Drafts, water leaks, or damage caused by extreme weather can impact your home's comfort and integrity over time. What to look for. Impact-resistant windows. These windows are designed to withstand high winds, heavy rain, and flying debris during storms. They feature reinforced glass and strong framing to ensure durability. Weather-resistant doors. Fiberglass and steel doors are excellent options because they resist warping, swelling, and rotting, which can happen with wood doors in humid or rainy conditions. Proper sealing and weather stripping. High-quality seals and weather stripping prevent water intrusion and drafts, ensuring your home stays protected during storms. Investing in weather-resistant windows and doors provides peace of mind, knowing your home can handle Nampa's unpredictable weather. Durability in dry and humid conditions. Nampa's climate often shifts between dry summers and more humid, rainy seasons. Over time, this can take a toll on traditional windows and doors, particularly those made of wood. What to look for. Fiberglass or vinyl windows. These materials resist warping, cracking, and rotting, making them ideal for Nampa's changing climate. They are low maintenance and long-lasting, even when exposed to moisture. Composite or steel doors. Unlike wood, steel and composite doors can withstand moisture and temperature changes without warping or deteriorating. They're also resistant to pests and require minimal upkeep. Choosing durable, climate-resistant materials ensures your windows and doors remain functional and visually appealing for years to come. UV protection for sunny days. Nampa's sunny summers bring plenty of natural light into your home, but prolonged exposure to UV rays can damage your furniture, flooring, and artwork. UV rays can also cause indoor temperatures to rise, putting stress on your air conditioning system. What to look for. Low E glass. Windows with low E coatings reduce UV rays while still allowing plenty of natural light to enter your home. This protects your interior while helping to regulate indoor temperatures. Tinted or reflective glass. For areas with direct sunlight, tinted or reflective glass options can minimize glare and heat gain. With the right UV protection, you can enjoy sunny days without compromising your comfort or the condition of your home's interior. Noise reduction for busy areas. If you live near a busy street, noisy neighbors, or a construction zone, sound can easily travel through older windows and doors, disrupting your peace and quiet. What to look for? Double pane or triple pane windows. These windows offer better soundproofing, reducing external noise and creating a quieter home environment. Solid core doors. Doors with solid cores or insulated materials are more effective at blocking sound compared to hollow options. Soundproof windows and doors make your home a peaceful retreat, regardless of what's happening outside. Aesthetic appeal and functionality. Beyond their practical benefits, windows and doors also play a major role in your home's curb appeal. For Nampa homeowners, selecting materials and styles that complement your home's design while providing functionality is essential. What to look for? Stylish and durable finishes. Fiberglass and vinyl windows come in a variety of colors and finishes to suit your style without requiring frequent maintenance. Modern door designs. Choose from a range of materials, glass panels, and hardware to enhance your home's look while ensuring durability and security. Upgrading your windows and doors can add value to your property and give your home a fresh, polished appearance. Choose windows and doors built for Nampa's climate. Nampa's diverse climate requires windows and doors that can handle everything from intense sun and heat to heavy storms and cold winters. By selecting energy-efficient, durable, and weather-resistant materials, you can protect your home, reduce energy costs, and enhance its comfort and style. If you're ready to upgrade your windows and doors, consult with a local professional who understands Nampa's unique climate needs. They can help you choose the best options for your home, ensuring lasting performance and value. With the right windows and doors, your home will stay beautiful, comfortable, and protected year-round.